Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sign up for Shopify, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm already on my dashboard, but I'm going to log out of my account and show you guys how you can sign in. Now, once I log out, I'll get to this page over here, which is just shopify.com/logout or shopify.com. Once you're here, you're just going to click on Start Free Trial. And once you click that, then you'll need to sign up with one of these methods. I'll choose Google. And once you're here, it'll redirect you to Google. I'll select an account I'll already have an account on, or an email I already have an account on. As you can see, this is a prompt where you can select which kind of store you want to build. I'll just select all of these, select I'm just starting. You can go through these, or you can just skip all of them, but it takes literally no time. I'll just decide later on a plan, or rather I won't. I'll just skip paying a plan in general. And as you can see, that has created a new account for me, and now I have a new store. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and make one with your email, and then you'll need to go to your email and verify it. However, I'm pretty sure I still have to verify it even on this account. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.